So here I've got the Disecu Combination Padlock, and I want to show you how to use this lock. So what you want to do first is to set your combination code. The default here is 0000, 4 zeros, you can see right there. So you want to turn this dials to set the default code. Okay, make sure it aligns properly. So to set your new code, what you want to do is to pull the shackle up a bit. Now turn it counterclockwise to where you have the code setting gap. This is the code setting gap right here. Okay, now push it down. Now turn it counterclockwise again. Now let go. So the shackle is going to stay down, and now you can set your new code. So I want to go with 1111. Okay, 4 digits. So after setting your new code, you want to take a photo of it or write it down so you don't forget. Now push it this way, push the shackle this way clockwise. So it's going to pop up and the new code is set. Now to lock it, push this down. Alright, so you want to set some random codes. So it's locked. Now to unlock, you want to turn these dials to your code. And make sure it aligns properly. So it's unlocked. So that's how to set the combination code. And if you want to change your code, make sure you set your current code here and go the same way. Turn the shackle counterclockwise to the code setting gap. Now press it down and turn it this way. Let go. Now set your new code again, and after that push it this way. So that's it. So that's how to use the Disecu Combination Padlock. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.